Welcome to the ThinkNode M6 Meshtastic device configuration tutorial. This video will detail the complete operation process of firmware flashing, mobile phone connection, and device communication. ThinkNode M6 firmware flashing. Connect the device to the computer with a USB-C cable. Open the official Meshtastic firmware flashing website. Select Electro as the brand, ThinkNode M6 as the model. Choose the alpha firmware. Then select the corresponding port. Download the UF2 firmware. Double-click the reset button until the computer recognizes the storage drive labeled ThinkNode M6F. Replace the UF2 file in the ThinkNode M6F drive to complete the flashing process. iOS phone Meshtastic app configuration. Open the Meshtastic app on your phone. Enter the pairing code 123456 and save to complete Bluetooth pairing. LoRa parameter configuration. Region United States. Ignore MQTT. Frequency to 915 MHz. Transmit power to 22. Save and restart. Positioning module configuration. Set the broadcast interval, and minimum distance parameters, then save and restart the device. Position log. View GPS position history and trajectory data of the node itself and other nodes. Node map. Visually view the geographic distribution of all online nodes in the mesh network. Device metrics log. View real-time historical data of node hardware status. Enter the channel. Add channel. Set the channel name to M6. Enable location and save. Click to share the channel QR code. Android phone, Meshtastic app configuration. Search for and select the device starting with Meshtastic_D6F9. Enter the pairing code 123456 to complete the pairing. LoRa configuration, positioning parameters, and channel settings are all consistent with the previous steps. Node parameters include power display, satellite count, compass, GPS latitude and longitude, and altitude. Use the connected D6F9 mobile phone to scan the M6 channel QR code to join the channel. ThinkNode M6 inter-device communication. Communication between the two devices is normal. Messages can be sent. The receiver has a blue indicator light, displays real-time signal quality, and achieves complete data interaction. That's all for the configuration tutorial. For other questions, scan the wiki QR code in the video for details.